Hi there, my name is Salma, and today I'm going to show you how our bulk PDF form filler software works. This software can be used to fill in your PDF forms from an Excel or CSV data source at lightning speed. Okay, let's start. Run our software from the desktop icon. First, you need to select the source PDF form. For this training, we will use the sample PDF form that comes with the software. When you have selected the source PDF file, our software will automatically list all the fields it has. Now, we need to select a source data file. As a data source, you can use either a CSV file or an Excel file. Just like with the source PDF file, when you have selected the data source, it will also list all the available columns. Now, we need to link each of the PDF form fields to the correct data source column. To link, first select the form field in the top box, then select the column header in the bottom box. Then click on Set to Selected Field. Okay, you have linked all the form fields with the data source. Now you need to select the output folder. If you want to save the filled-in PDF files in the same location where the PDF form is, you can check the Use Source PDF folder box. For this presentation, we will select the output folder on the desktop. Now, we will need to select the output file name pattern. This will define how the software will name the saved PDF files. For example, PDF name means the source PDF file, and counter means the sequential row number that you want to fill. Now, you need to select how many rows of data you would like to fill. If you select All in the Fill drop-down box, all the rows from the data source will be processed. Yes, let's select Fill All. Now, you need to select the export mode. There are two options. If you would like to retain the form fields as editable so that further modification is possible, then select the first option. Filled PDF should be still editable. Or if you would like to disable further modification, then please select the second option. Filled PDF should not be editable. Let's have a look at the differences. Click on the question mark. It will open a folder. Now you see in the first file, fields are no longer editable. And in the second file, fields are still editable, so you can change the field's value. For our first test run, let's continue with the first option. Now click on the Start Filling button. Let's open a few PDF files to see how it filled in the forms. Okay, now let's dig into the file name pattern a bit more. For example, if you want to save the filled-in form by the name in the data source, then select the part of text box text you want to change it to. Then select the name column and click on the Set to Name pattern button. This time, we are going to fill a limited number of rows, like 6 to 10 rows. Now click on the Start Filling button. You can see that now the file name is saved using the name from the data source. Okay, now I'm going to show you some extra features that can help you to manage the form filling in better ways. First, sometimes you may find some PDF form with a field name that is not very meaningful. From the name, you don't know exactly which field it is. For example, text 1, text 2, etc. In this case, you can click on the Get Fields Map button. It will create a folder on your desktop named with your PDF file -fields map, along with some other files in it, and will also open the folder for you, so you can examine the files. Please start with the text file named guide.txt. When you open the PDF file, it may seem that nothing has changed, but when you move your mouse over any field, it will show the field name, and also, in cases of radio, checkbox, or Dropdown box, it will show possible values too. Besides that, it will also create a CSV file on your desktop too. When you open it, you will see that there are two columns, field name and possible values. Now, I'm going to show you another very important feature, import and export. For example, if you need to fill in the same PDF file again and again, like every week or month, and if you have to link the same fields again and again, that takes so much time. This feature can save that time. After you link each field with the data source correctly, you can export the linking to a file. And next time, when you use the PDF file and data source, you can just import that exported file and it will automatically link related fields. Next, another feature is auto-linking. If you can make sure that both your PDF file and Excel file have the same field names and column names respectively, then you can use this function. When you click on the Auto Link button, it will try to match each form field with the data field, and if all match up correctly, it will link those related fields. There is another function, Get Possible Values. As the checkbox, radio button, and drop-down box only accept a fixed set of values, you may need to know the values it can accept. Click on this button, and it will show you the possible values, and also automatically copy the values to your clipboard, so you can refer to it when needed. So, this is how you can use our software to fill your PDF forms quickly and easily. Thanks a lot for watching our video. Best regards from Shyam Computer.